Ladies, this is the year that we're not going to be the studio that gets a reputation for hiring only white dudes. We're all about diversity and inclusion. I mean, we're women. So if you have a problem with that, feel free to leave.
I'm staying.
Oh, well, we had these black actors tested for a black pilot that was about black things, but it didn't get picked up.
That is so much better than I expected. That's great. Where are we at with Latinos?
Our sister cable network, they have that show 1 week at a time.
Okay.
I think it's about Latinos.
It's actually 1 day at a time.
Angela, I think we know the names of our Latino shows, all right? While you're up, can you get us some more coffee?
Me too.
All right. So we're obviously killing it in the Latin market. Where are we at with transgenders and Asians?
Let's hear
Did you just tell me that both our Latino and our transgender and our Asian demographics are all doing new media, digital series? Who are we, the United fucking Nations? We're amazing! We're killing it, people. But can we do better? Can we? I think we can. I want to take us in a direction that the other studios are too afraid to go in. Underrepresented animals.
Loving that. I'm so tired of seeing golden retrievers. I think, give me something new.
I agree. I think that cats, for one, are very underrepresented in Hollywood. Underrepresented.
You're right. You're totally right. So hit me with ideas,
I
ladies.
do have this one cat. Oh, this cat. I found this cat in a dumpster behind the Comedy Store. I've been scouting it forever.
Listening.
This cat has it. Okay? Do you want to pull this up?
Okay, pull it up. Hey, Angela, pull up YouTube.
Pull it up. What's it called?
Angela.
Google Chairman Meow.
Okay, that focus is impressive. Who is she with?
We are actually working on adopting her, and I'll let you know as soon as it closes.
We need to lock that up. That's a movie star. She's female, but her name's a boy.
Well, it's like naming a girl Tyler. It's very progressive.
Everyone's naming female characters Tyler now. Everybody. Female, looks ethnic.
Yeah.
Still has sex appeal, so we haven't lost the male demo. I mean, Angela, you're young. What do you think?
Well, actually, I mean, I guess there's no real racial divide between non-human animals and like their power dynamic is just
Do you
different.
guys know what we're having for lunch today?
I can't do Thai.
Oh, we got bloating.
Anyways, I like Sherman Meow Meow. But, you know, I'd like her more if she were black.
Oh.
Well, we tried to find talented black actors, black cat actors in Hollywood. We just couldn't.
Oh my
Gosh, I know.
Actors. It's true. Actors.
Just thinking outside the box here. What if we dyed her for black? Someone's got to be doing it. Angela, will you look that up?
Damn it, it looks like there could be some backlash on dying animals.
Okay, so the cat's a dead end. I have a bird. Nails her lines every time.
All right.
Yeah.
Do we have any video on her?
Oh yeah, pull up Angela. Pull up Feather Locklear. Come on!
Where did you find her?
My assistant found her. Yeah. That was at her one bird show. She does a monologue. It goes crazy dark. Crazy dark. It's awesome. Also, side note, it's bilingual.
Wait.
What does that mean? Well, it speaks bird and English.
Wait, bird, isn't the bird just parroting what its owner said?
I'm sorry, are you a bird expert? Or are you an intern that works for a major billion-dollar studio company?
Okay, look, ladies.
Anyways.
I know we're all very high on Feather Locklear.
What about that Disney remake with the Airbud?
Well, yeah, Disney's gonna make a remake of Airbud. Airbird.
You know,
She'd be perfect.
Disney is investing a lot of time and energy into revisionist avian narratives.
hey, Mouse House, I think we found your Airbird.
We did it.
You gotta work. Feather Locklear is great. I mean, she's a one of a kind. But I've had my eye on someone, and it's a bit of a leap, but I wanna share him with you all.
Yeah.
I think he's really special.
Yeah.
Angela, will you type into YouTube Jeremiah not a bullfrog?
Actually,
The fuck was that?
That is the next Chadwick Bose speakers.
Right? Right? Even I know that's Chadwick Boseman.
I do.
No, wait, just hold on a second, all right? We've talked about this, Angela. Sorry. That is franchise material right there.
Yeah.
Get him in here for a whole new deal. Well below what he is worth.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Can I just say I did my thesis in South Africa and it studies like bullfrogs, it's the fire belly toads, and they're actually.
Can I see this one?
Yeah, sure.
This is so cool. You're a toad expert now. You're a toad expert now.
We should send you to HR so you can learn some office meeting etiquette.
I was just gonna say that toads are gender fluid.
What did you just say?
They're gender fluid.
This changes everything. You're telling me we can be the first studio to hire a gender fluid animal? Holy shit!
It's fine. It's fine.
It's a lot of money. Angela, how'd you like to be a full-time employee with benefits in approximately 90 days?
You know